Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have my Fabfitfun add-ons and mystery bundle, so let's get into it. It is time for Fabfitfun Summer 2022. I unboxed my first summer box yesterday. I will link it at the end in case you want to go back and check it out and you missed it. Today I have my add-ons and my mystery bundle. The add-ons is a sale that Fabfitfun has every time we do customization. That is just a sale. You can choose to use it or to not use it. If you're a Fabfitfun member, you absolutely don't have to. You can just pick up things that you think you might like to try or that you know you love and want to use for really good prices. I think they say up to 70% off. I'm just going to show you guys what I chose and then we'll get into the mystery bundle, which I am most excited about. First of all, if you spend over $15, they let you add freebies to your box. So I went ahead and chose them and I got the Crest Whitening Emulsions 1 minute apply and go. And you get a 1 tube net weight 0.88 ounces. And it is a leave on treatment and 1 whitening wand and stand. So you probably just get to try it once, but it would give you an idea if you like it. So I will be trying this because I can always use whiter teeth. And we got a Smart Water, it's Smart Plus Water, Renew. Ooh, got dandelion and lemon extract. Did everybody get the same one? I wonder. Distilled water with electrolytes for taste and infused with extracts. So I'll give that a try. Dandelion and lemon. I don't know about that. My add-ons, as usual, are all a little weird. I got the Upper Canada Soap Company Bye Bye Germs antibacterial hand wipes. It's 75 hand wipes. I think it was like $3. We just can never have enough of these around. It's the easiest thing when the kids come in just to wipe the kids' hands down instead of getting every time involved in water. We just like having hand wipes around. I wish you could leave them in your car, but I know in the summer when it gets hot, you can't. Actually, this says right on it, store below 110. So it's for on-the-go cleansing, but how often are you on the go without your car? I should have thought this through. It's paraben-free and fragrance-free. Next, and much more fun, I have the Lilly Pulitzer earbuds. I hope they're good quality. I hope I don't have AirPods yet. I know. AirPods? You know what I mean. I don't have those yet, but my Apple earbuds have always been the best quality, and I have tried other ones and they haven't been as great, but I really hope that the Lilly Pulitzer's, like, can you see yourself? You're out at the pool, your hair is pulled up so your ears are exposed, you've got some nice Lilly Pulitzer. I know. We do the little things that make us happy. Speaking of the little things that make us happy, more Lilly Pulitzer. I got this little on-the-go pouch. It's a Lilly Pulitzer, and it's just, you could put it on your keychain. I would never do that. But I just thought I could chuck it in my purse, and it came with hair products. So, up top you have, matching the pattern of this and the 2 scrunchies that you get, some fun bobby pins. You get 2 scrunchies that look like Lilly Pulitzer patterns. So that's fun. And then 2 just gold hair ties. Yeah, they feel pretty good. Not like the ones that necessarily break your hair. These don't have a lot of pull, so if you had super thick hair, I'm not sure how they'd work, but these are so cute and they have a little pouch, and I always need a hair tie. I always need a scrunchie. I need something. I wish this would also hold a claw. I love my hair pulled up in a claw. I thought it was cute, so I picked it. Next, and in plastic, and I appreciate they do that in case it goes amok, but this is, we talked about this. It's called Swear. When I did my scroll through, it is a showerless shampoo. Well, isn't that basically what dry shampoo is? It's a showerless shampoo. But this says, sweat, then swear. Showerless shampoo is a game-changing product that cleans your hair without suds or rinsing after a workout. Well, I don't work out much, but I do get hot, and I'm not great at day 2 hair, but I am willing to try anything that helps me feel cleaner. And dry shampoos sometimes just don't make it feel cleaner to me. Shake well before use, hold bottle 6 to 9 inches from the hair. Spray 1 to 2 pumps per area that need to be cleaned. Less is more. We suggest starting with 1 and spray again if needed. Towel dry vigorously to remove sweat and dirt. Air dry or blow dry excess moisture. No gluten, paraben, sulfates, formaldehyde, alcohol, or phthalates. Vegan and cruelty-free. Dermatologist tested. Safe for color-treated hair. We're gonna check this out. You know, after a hot sunny day at the pool, where you might sweat in your scalp a little bit, and then you're going out to dinner, I have no idea. I don't know what I'm using for. Something about it really appealed to me, so now I have it. Next, I have the Laura Geller Baked Original Highlighter Duo. I am running really low. I can't believe it. I've actually hit pan in the middle of my Hourglass. I think it's called Illuminator. I have a trio palette, but the middle one is the Illuminator, and it's the one I use constantly, just constantly. And I thought I might like to start trying new highlighters just that I can pick up. I'll probably end up buying the Hourglass one again because it's so perfect for me. But this was such a good buy in add-ons, so I just thought we'd give it a try. Yeah, it's not as shiny. That's the light one, and that is the darker one. They're very pretty, don't get me wrong. It might be shinier than I think. Actually, it has a pretty good glow to it. Can you see it where I put it up here? It does have a nice natural glow to it. I might like that dusted all over my face if I was going out in the summer. And right next to it over here, I have put the darker one. Can you see that? I could use that where I put my contour. I couldn't use that all over my face, but I thought it would be fun to play with. Oh, there's a little mirror. The top half of this is a mirror. And last but not least, from my individual selections, you guys know, we've talked about it so much. I love notebooks. I like to write things down. I like my notes. I like to be able to reach for it and have tangible, written. I just can't make my day-to-day life work in tech. I want to be able to hold it and see it. I still use regular planners. I still make regular notes when I do my meal plan. I still do it on paper, although I have started doing some of the Ellis macro-friendly foods. I am doing her app, and she hasn't made it so you can print things out yet. So even in that, I'm writing things down. But this is from Kate Spade. Oh, and it's a Kate Spade. It is Lemon Large Spiral Notebook, 160 lined pages, gold spiral, and it has interior pockets. So that's nice. Last but not least, we have my mystery bundle. Now, like I said, when I opened up my box in my refills, I have one of the $14.99 refills, and I have it come every season with my box. And then I also pick up a mystery bundle from the add-on sales. I sometimes, and this month included, struggle trying to decide which is which. And I don't want to really go through it product for product because I want to kind of be surprised. So this one was bigger and it had an extra product in it compared to the other one. So I decided that this was the $29.99 mystery bundle. And I could be completely wrong. First out, we have some Coco Pocus scrunchies. These are velour. They will be perfect. I will set them aside until next winter. And my granddaughters all have long hair, so I'm sure one of them will like it. But we have yellow and kind of a rustish, yeah, kind of a dark mauve-y pink, maybe rustish. And then this has kind of a lavender to it. But they're corduroy, and I may be old-fashioned, but I think of corduroy as a winter thing. Next out, I have Invisa bobbles. These are a no-go for me. I will put these in a giveaway. I have discovered that my granddaughters don't even love them. I have the Unite 7-second shampoo and 7 seconds conditioner. I wonder what that's all about. Let's see if we can find out. I like shampoo and conditioner. I have a lot of hair and I'm a daily washer, so I do go through it. So let's see. The shampoo is 10 fluid ounces and the conditioner is 8 fluid ounces. It says it is a professional salon system, daily moisturizing shampoo, daily moisturizing conditioner. Do you believe in love at first lather? Giving your healthy, moisture-enriched hair 7 seconds shampoo will be the love of your hair's life. All hair types, from fine to thick, and even color-treated, deserve to be this happy, healthy, and beautiful. All it takes is one use and you will fall in love with 7 seconds. All right, well, I'm gonna have to get online and read more about these because I have to tell you, I've never heard of this. I use a whole lot of hair products and I have never even heard of this brand. Oh, it's sealed, but we want to know what it smells like, so we're getting in here. Oh, it's nice. It's bright. It smells like spring. I don't know what that scent is. It smells like a scent I know though, like it should be flower. Does it give me a scent or does it just say fragrance? About halfway up it says fragrance parfum. Yeah, it's nice. Absolutely nice enough that I would try it. Very fresh and bright. Okay, and last out we have this. What is this? Be the change you want to... Oh, oven mitts. Well, I can tell you right now I'm passing these on to my mom. They are pink, and she loves pink things. She loves pink things in her real life, but she loves pink things in her kitchen. You know what? I don't even need to take that out, guys. It's just a mitt that has the little hand part and a square mitt, and it's a nice pink fabric. It says Pink Scotty Oven Mitt and Pot Holder Set. It is from To The Market, and it says, be the change you want to see. The shampoo and conditioner, which could be really pricey, so that could absolutely make up the value in this. We have scrunchies and Invisa bobbles, so we had a nice little hair thing going on. So we got to this left turn. We have 2 pot holders and a nice pink plaid. This is supposed to have a $100 value if it is my $29.99 bundle. But like I said, this shampoo and conditioner, like the IGKs that were 8 ounces each that were in our box, had a $62 value, I think. So this could absolutely be expensive. Okay, let me know what you think about the add-ons. Do you belong to Fabfitfun? Do you do the add-ons? Did you get mystery bundles? That is what I chose. If you spent more than $15 until they ran out, you could get these 2 things. So that's kind of fun. This has probably got a little bit of value to it. I got my wipes and my 2 Lilly Pulitzers and my Laura Geller to try and the notebook. Different stuff. Always different stuff. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I appreciate you being here. I have linked my first summer Fabfitfun box, which will have the other mystery bundle in it too. And I will see you again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys.